I just wanna be close to your heart. This is where my healing finds its start. Here is where I find my peace, where my soul is finally free. I'm going all in over my head. I'm not scared to get drenched in your love. Wherever you go, God, I will follow. I'm not scared to get lost in your love.
When you were born, you stole our hearts, all 5 pounds, 14 ounces, and our lives would never be the same. Watching you grow has been such a joy. I truly have never met someone as thoughtful as you. Payton, when you were not even 1 and still could not stand, you would reach your arms up to me, say, "Hold you, Mommy." It was like you wanted to comfort me. And now, years later, and planning your wedding, you're still just as thoughtful. So many times you made comments about items and how you wanted your guests to be taken care of. This wedding was not just about you or you and Gavin. It was also about making sure your family and friends were taken care of before, after, and during the wedding. My mom wrote, "had been one of the greatest blessings." I had no clue at the time what that really meant, but I get it now.
Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. I want to thank Payton and Gavin for inviting us to be a part of stepping into the world of Asolo, Italy, and being in their personal fairy tale.
Payton, you truly embody and reflect the love and light of Jesus Christ. You led me to Christ at a time when I wasn't sure what my identity, passion, or purpose truly was. This subsequently made you my greatest role model. To be the one to teach me about God and the goodness that all humanity has to be excited for has truly made you my greatest earthly treasure. I stand here today in awe of you, Payton Elizabeth. You have made this life an unforgettable experience. You saw in me something I didn't see in myself. I wasn't someone who was properly aligned with my life, mission, or purpose when we first met. It can only be explained through divine intervention in the Lord's hand orchestrating our meeting on this very earth.
Getting to watch the two of you walk with God together has been the biggest honor. Your love is truly so inspiring, and I know that God will continue to bless your relationship and continue to bring so much adventure and joy to your marriage.
I feel like we're in a dream right now. You look so like Italian. You look it's very Italian.
Gavin McGee, you are the greatest gift I've ever received. I don't think I'll ever understand nor comprehend how I got so lucky to be standing here today to become your wife. But that's just the beautiful mystery of the grace of God. I know this isn't luck or chance that brought us together, but a blessing from God that I am so undeserving of. You are the most intentional person I've ever met, and that same intentionality has been consistent throughout our entire relationship. Thank you for always bringing me back to the gospel. I am changed because of you and the grace of God.
I asked Gavin to finish this sentence. I can't wait to marry her because of her wisdom and her confidence to take risks, tempered with wisdom based on her faith that was larger than self. I didn't know I didn't know it early on because I didn't understand it. But it was her love for Jesus and the hope and confidence that came with this love. And Payton said, I can't wait to marry Gavin because he is my best friend. And I loved every day with him. Well, in light of your commitment and promise here today before God, the church, and family and friends, it is my great honor, by the authority given me by the church, to pronounce you as husband and wife. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, what has joined together, let no man separate. Gavin, you may kiss your bride.
We're in the most beautiful place in the world, and in this city y'all fell in love, but even after like all of these celebrations are over, you know, you guys have like the key to love, and you guys have the Lord, and you're building your foundation on Him, and so I just feel like that's so special, and we're gonna all get to watch your love grow for the rest of your life.
So vividly the day that Payton called me to tell me that she met Gavin. Her big smile was evident through the phone, and I had a great feeling about him. Gavin, you're the perfect fit for Payton. You both complement each other so well. You encourage each other, you respect each other, and you match each other's lust for life. I cannot wait to see what God has in store for this adventure of marriage that you're about to embark on.
Remember, Gavin, I saw you looking at her, and I immediately knew. I was like, this is the one. And we were sitting across from them at dinner, and they just kept looking at each other, and they just had this look. And this look that I still today, I'm like, I hope I get to have that one day. Like, I want that look.
Your love cannot be described other than joyous and beautiful. And the group you've brought together here today is a testament to that. Stay awesome. We're all here for you too, and let's have some fun.
I'm so grateful that someone that means the world to me and that I aspire to be like on a daily basis is getting to be with someone that cherishes her and admires her and will always allow her to seek her dreams.
The McGees and the Moores, thank you guys so much for bringing such special people into this world. Both of your families are so adventurous, inviting, and joyous, and thank you so much for this incredible weekend and these two special people.